Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make $500 to $2,000 a day on DHGate. So basically what you're going to do, or I'm going to show you a few easy steps to follow in order for you to achieve that. Step 1, set up your selling platform. Before diving into buying products, decide where you will be selling them. You can go to eBay, Amazon, Shopify, Facebook Marketplace, and Instagram or TikTok. So, for example, eBay, great for reaching a wide audience. Amazon, ideal for large volume sales and access. Shopify, perfect for building your own branded store. Facebook Marketplace and Instagram, effective for local or niche markets. So, once you chose one of these platforms right here, then step 2 is you need to research profitable products. So, what you're going to do here is you have to look for trending or high demand products on platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Google Trends. So find products that have high search volume but relatively few sellers. This helps you dominate a niche. And then you have to focus on quality and reviews also. Now, once you have your products, then you can now go to dhgate.com, create an account, search for products, use specific keywords to find the items you research, filter results by popularity, ratings, and price. Now, the next thing to do is contact suppliers. Always communicate with suppliers before buying. And then, if you are unsure about the product, order a sample first to verify the quality before placing a large order. Now, once done, you can now go and scale your business and then sell this to any of the platform, for example, TikTok. Upload photos or videos of your product and then promote this one. In the caption, you must include DHgate link. So if they tap that link or that website, it will take them directly to your DHgate account, and all they have to do is to buy the specific product, and that's it. That's how you simply make $500 to $2,000 a day on DHgate. So I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.